And welcome to our bonus feature segment here at Smash News Network, least busted name in news. Next thing we're looking at is the total electron content forecast. It'll show you the most likely places for GPS errors. We are seeing a little bit of chaos there, some unexpected errors around Antarctica and so on. Most GPS errors occur around the equator at noon. Our regular viewers would be aware of this. We've been putting out these videos for over 4 years now. So congratulations to everybody who's realized that the channel exists. Let's move on. First, a diagram of what we're talking about. Total electron content is the electrons in between your GPS satellite, located at about 12,500 kilometers of altitude, and your handset. Those free electrons can cause massive GPS errors. We do see some satellite charging hazards here, some surface charging over the central Pacific Ocean. Could cause some minor communications failures. Nothing too major. Here's the one-year chart of the relativistic electrons from Solon.info to put that in context before showing the 3-day chart. There's the 3-day chart that goes 16 and goes 17. Endeavor to measure the electron flux at the F ionosphere layer from their geosynchronous near equatorial orbits. We're seeing a slight uptick here as the coronal hole high-speed stream subsides. Here's your forecast model. And I think we're going to see a little higher levels in this. My purple dot is my forecast. A little bit above the NOAA forecast there, which is the green box. Next, we'll show you the ionosphere. The F layer is located at about 300 kilometers of altitude. And here's your ionogram and vibrational frequency from the Australian Government Bureau of Meteorology. Looks like some low-frequency anomalies and some high-frequency anomalies happening. I won't try to explain where they are. I'll just let it play through and show you the anomalygram. Some pretty wild swings there happening around Africa and South America, as we've been showing for the last few days. And remember, folks, March is the second most geomagnetically active month. So after September, March comes next. It's no surprise that it comes around the equinoxes. It has to do with protons slamming into Earth's magnetic moment in space. And Bremsstrahlung, which means the breaking radiation of solar wind protons. Anyway, this is the anomalygram showing anomaly in megahertz from the 30-day median. Major high-frequency anomalies here over the Atlantic Ocean, South America, parts of Africa. And we'll show the latest image. There's the latest image on the ionogram, 12 o'clock Universal Time. There's the latest anomalygram. And by the way, folks, this is the weakest spot in the magnetosphere right here. It's showing itself right there as a high-frequency anomaly to the north and a low-frequency anomaly to the south. That's the South Atlantic anomaly now over the South American continent. And let's continue on. First, you're all invited to press subscribe if you are a new viewer. Thanks for tuning in. Congratulations on realizing the channel exists. The Smash of Hazard, thank you. Did you see our interesting anomaly videos from last night? Make sure you check those out. Smashamash.com is our homepage. And you can find us also on Twitter. We've got over 10,000 tweets and only 215 followers. We really only started actively using it in, I think, 2019 when we launched our website. Also, welcome everybody to the Neo-Renaissance. Did you know that in the realm of science, we often receive answers to questions not asked? Yeah, we go and we ask questions of how things could possibly be occurring in nature. And sometimes it leads us down a rabbit hole. Thanks for joining us on our journey down said rabbit hole via these videos. And here's our paywall at smashamash.com/SmashTeam. Similar to Patreon, just superior. It's our own server. Thanks to the Smash Team. Smash Team members seem to love it. We've got a bronze, a silver, a gold, and a gold annual paid-up subscription level. And I'm actually wearing the shirt right now. This is only available to paid-up annual subscribers. Smashamash.com/SmashTeam. We'd also invite you all to Mansa, Make America Not Suck Again, since in so many ways America leads the way. So whether it's in the realm of infectious diseases or in the realm of science and so many other things, America largely leads the way, so make America not suck again in an effort to make Earth not suck again. We're doing our part. Perhaps pick up some merch, become a member of the Smash team, press like, press subscribe, etc. Here come some additional bonus features. Our next bonus feature is the El Teide Spain ground-based solar observatory data. And what do you think of this giant filament down here? Will this release soon? Let us know in the comments what you think. Also some filaments over here. Lots of filaments on the earthly side of the sun. All those dark absorption features are filaments. Here's the latest intensitygram and latest colorized magnetogram. 2954 and 2955 have been largely stable. 2956 remains a beta class sunspot. 2958 has degraded a bit since yesterday. And the most interesting sunspot now, sunspot 2957. It has grown rapidly in the past 24 hours. I think this one's a beta class sunspot as well. That's going to be named sunspot 2959. Indeed, that is a beta class sunspot, as you can see, both a south and a north pole field. Same with 2957. And beta class sunspots are more likely to produce flares. They have a more complex magnetic field structure. That is a little bit less complex. And 2954 and 2955 are just alpha class sunspots. The likelihood of them producing major flares, not really there. Next, the NASA GOES 16SU VI imagery. And this is great at showing solar prominences. Everything pretty calm at the moment. Some new active regions rising both in the southeast and in the northeast. Especially this one here. It's already producing, it looks like a little CME happening right there, off on the southeastern limb. Remember to keep your eye on sunspot 2957, and when I say eye on, well, pardon the pun. Here's one more SDO set of images. It's 171 and 304 angstroms. Thanks for tuning in, folks, and may that solar wind be at your back.